Okay, so if you guys remember, we work on this. Can you roll this way a little bit? Okay, so we work on David ankle, and if you guys, uh, yeah, it's kind of cut my head off, but that's okay because this is how our videography skills is. So the ankle was bad. We can't move. We work with the bands. If you watch our previous video, now he said it's got to get improvements, but he think the band is not working anymore. So, and I'm gonna torching him right now in front of the camera. So it's gonna be so bad. This is called Voodoo Floss. This is a little bit more extreme, I would believe, for the athletes, for runners, like a young kids, to mobilize. If you feel something is stiff in your body, like elbow, it's not there, your knee, your ankle. Sometimes I do on the shoulder. If this is the bad person, you can do on the neck. So no, don't do on the neck. Ankle, knee, elbow, shoulder. Some people do on the hip. I'm not sure it's beneficial for the hip. I mean, I didn't see big improvement, but the ankle, it's the best. All right, so ankle. Show me around. Just move around before the camera, like outside. Pretty good. What about flexion dorsal?
Yes, it's much improved. It just has a little bit of problem with dorsiflexion.
Okay, perfect.
So
So,
it's a lot better.
but we'll see it. So now, go ahead. Yeah, you want to say something more?
It just needs a little bit of extra external rotation, internal rotation, and a little bit of dorsiflexion, but I don't have the discomfort.
Oh, trust me, we'll give it to you right now. We're gonna rip that ankle off, put it back, like put some lotion on it and put it back. Watch it. Oh man. So if this is too much, you let me know, okay? Because sometimes it's too much. So the idea is it's a band and you start taping around very tight around those joints area because you want that fascia start gliding, okay? Can you lift your ankle up like right in here? I go around the heel, all different direction. This one is new, so it's kind of sticky. So I put around here, cross it. You see, I'm do cross it. Idea is get that, follow the tendons. Yeah, okay, it's good. It's feel good, he said.
Yeah.
So good. When it feels good, it's good. So create more tension. Ties this up. Yes. So, like I said, this is more for not for like older folks. It's gonna be a little bit more, maybe more extreme. Plus, it's gonna get you a bruises or like the blots comes up. So, like I said, try it. But for athletes, for sure. For people like stiff ankle runners, is great stuff. Tight. You see, I'm not going crazy on David. So now I'm gonna hold it and ask David to start moving and help him out. Yeah, he's in pain.
Good. No, it
Feels good?
It feels like there's movement. It feels like there's.
It's not right. Get this one. Yeah.
Well, because it's helping get motion in it. It doesn't.
Stretch, pull. See, I'm mobilized. He said left and right, so go ahead.
Yeah.
Now move yourself. Move. God damn it. Move. He's good, but look at him.
It's not painful.
You like when people torching you?
It's just not on
Okay.
the ankle.
I know. I'm torching myself sometimes too with this tool. Trust me. It's really beneficial. If you like hikes, all that stuff, come back, floss it. Don't do too much. Twice a month. You don't want that also deep work like that. You still feel your leg?
Yes.
There we go. Did you feel that one?
Yeah.
That was a big pop. Do we need a crazy adjustment? No. We need the motion. We need the movements. Again, shin,
You can't
pull,
do this normally.
hold. And now it's going to be honest feedback because he's done this first time in his life. We always catch him. Move.
It does feel better.
Look at that ankle is moving now. Like I said, runner, young boy, knowing like any inflammation inside. Try to do that one.
It feels like it's got
Try to move. Yeah, stand up and walk. How you feel when you walk? Ooh.
Yeah.
You're like, whoa, confusing. Better?
Yeah, it feels like it's
All right.
It does.
So we help him out.
It's amazing.
That's all about, to help you guys out to start moving, less pain, more movements. Because sometimes, maybe a long time ago, you did that trauma, injury, or just don't pay attention to your balance. You lose it, now it's our mission
See,
to
I can do
return
this.
it.
I couldn't do that before.
You see, he can do
Huh.
ballet now. Ta-da-da-ta, do ballet, do ballet. What's that? Swamp. Here we go, swamp. Here we go. Yeah, and I'm too. Ta 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 da 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 ta 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 da da ta 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 ta. Yeah, here we go. All right, you guys have a good day. Stay healthy and movable.